Welcome back to Get Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to run command prompt commands in PowerShell on Windows 11. For this, first click on this one, a start button, and type here PowerShell and click on this one Windows PowerShell entry. In case you want to run administrative command, then right click on this one Windows PowerShell and choose instead run as administrator. In if Windows prompts, click yes. Then all you need to type cmd space slash c and then you can type your command that is a specific to command prompt such as ipconfig and then click press enter on the keyboard. Like this you can run any command on your PowerShell that is available for command prompt only. In case you have to execute several commands, then on the prompt just type cmd and it will change from PowerShell prompt to command prompt. Now there is no need to type anything, just you can type commands and hit enter to run it. Suppose such as ipconfig, just press and enter. ipconfig slash all, just press and enter. Windows is PowerShell, but I have run command prompt commands. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel, Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.